It's a new day and it is a surprisingly new CPU, although it may seem a little bit familiar if you've already shopped at Microcenter, because Microcenter has had the 7600X3D CPU for quite a while now. Well, now we have the 7500X3D CPU from AMD, and that's available in our new PowerSpec G527. Now, this has a lot of similarities to the 7600X3D. Really, the main difference is going to be in those clocks. It's still a 6-core, 12-thread CPU, and it's going to have that expanded L3 cache of 96 megabytes, hence the X3D moniker. Really, the big difference is going to be in the base clock, which is at 4.0 gigahertz versus the 4.1 gigahertz of the 7600X3D. But this is still a really good CPU for budget gaming, which is why we have it in our PowerSpec G527, because this is available for $999 right now. And for under $1,000, you get that 7500X3D, and that's paired off with an AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT with 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM. That's actually a really good combo. 1080p gaming, perfect. Even some 1440p gaming as well. Now, if you check the Steam hardware surveys, you'll see that the most common CPU for a lot of gamers right now is a 6-core CPU. So something like a 7500X3D is going to be more than fine for a vast majority of games. Yes, there are some games that can benefit from higher core counts and higher clocks, but all around for, again, under $1,000, this is going to handle most anything that you throw at it. Now, that CPU-GPU combination, that's paired off with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, and this also has a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. So all in all, this is a really good budget build that you can walk out of a Microcenter same day and be ready to go. So make sure you stop on by your local Microcenter to check out the PowerSpec G527. This is a fantastic budget combo. We've done videos about the RX 9060 XT. It's a very well-performing GPU, and it's actually at a really good price. So in a system like this, you're gonna get really good gaming performance. A couple of other things I wanna call out about this system. There's a 5 gigabit LAN on the back here. That's actually kind of impressive. That's a lot of throughput for your networking, so that's actually pretty handy to have. And this is still kind of a compact build, pretty lightweight, but there's more room to grow. So you're on the AM5 platform. If you would like to upgrade to a newer CPU down the line, well, you have that option available for you, and you have a lot of compatibility. So if you want to jump into a Zen 5, like let's say a 9800X3D, the system can support it. Now, if you want to step up your GPU, well, this does have a 650 watt power supply. So that's something to take into consideration when you're looking for GPU advancement. So make sure you get a new power supply for those higher end GPUs if you want to add that to your system. And speaking of adding parts to this system, did you know at the time of purchase of your new PowerSpec, we can install parts for you at the time of purchase for free at the Knowledge Bar at Microcenter? So for instance, there's 2 sticks of memory in there right now, but let's say you want to max it out to 64 gigabytes of memory. Well, if you buy the memory and you buy the PowerSpec, we'll install it for you right there. Or if you want to add some additional SSDs or some additional hard drives, any storage goes a really long way. We'll install that for you for free. And make sure you talk to our associates about those protection plans, as well as Priority Care Plus. It's like having tech support right in your back pocket. Make sure you stop by your local Microcenter to check out the PowerSpec G527, as well as our other PowerSpec pre-builts. And if you don't have a Microcenter near you, then be sure to comment #IWantAMicrocenter near me.